In 8th grade, section 8.6, we're dealing with slope. Now, slope is very similar to the rate of change that you did in section 8.4, but now this time you can find it between any points, and it's the same thing, vertical change over horizontal change. So your change of your dependent, which is your y, okay, the change in y, over your change of independent, which is your change over x. So now we've taken the rate of change and we've put it into this equation, which is slope, and slope is labeled m. So in order to find m, slope, you do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And remember, just like the rate of change, you only need 2 points. The first set of points is your x1, y1. Your second set of points is your x2, y2. So, for example, the slope of a hill that rises 30 feet for every horizontal change of 15 feet. So if I have, it rises, find the slope of a hill that rises 30 feet, so it goes up 30 feet, rise, goes on top, so 30 feet, and it does a horizontal change, so run over 1,500 feet. So 30 over 1,500, that can be reduced to 3 over 15 feet, which can be, I don't even know how to do this calculator, 1, 5 feet. Okay? So on a hill, for every 1 feet, it goes over 5 feet. So every 1 feet, it goes up, it goes over 5. 1 feet goes up, over 5. So that is this hill. Right? Number 2 is asking me to find slope of a line that passes through, oh, there's supposed to be an H there, B and C. Now this one, they don't give us a label. This is the ones that you're going to be faced with commonly. And so it's very important that you do this correctly. And here's the equation. It's pretty simple. And a lot of people want to do it in their heads, but it causes room for a lot of mistakes. So before anything, when you have these 2 points, write it down on your paper and label them. It doesn't matter which way I label. I can label this first and then this, or this and this, okay? So I can do x1, y1, then x2, y2. So it doesn't matter if this is x1, y1, and this is x, I just can't mix and match. Like this can't be x1, y2, and you know, so on and so forth. Once I've labeled that, then I just plug it into this equation, which is my slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is negative 2, y1 is minus 7. Okay? x2 is negative 3, and x1 is minus 2. Well, x1 is 2, but I do minus 2. So, negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Well, because these are both negative, I can just leave it as 9 over 5. So that means my graph goes up 9 over 5, up 9 over 5 every time, and that's the pattern. Okay, and this is my slope. We're going to be using this more with equations, so it's very important once more that you master this before moving on. So write this down, try page 435, number 5, 435, number 5, and I will see you in class.